cho na se material be na o part na se fabrics be na o part open material ye de pam suit open material de pam kaftan and also open material be to say Italian cashmere afi dasmak Italian wool and also ni maximo dia eno an enkasa fabrics and then we are seamstress and also your tailor me honom enyo one stop shop as open material ta udo ni be chem honom so kokoto bi na bibia enso etimi akofan e de ama ebia wo ye tailor and also your seamstress name open wedding gown and as a matter dia kanasha no sende no materials me brina ne go enkasa fabrics a yenso ye tom e de ama your customer so hwe cha kwan a shop number C403 shop number C403 and as a shop number D347 Makola shopping mall opposite Ghana School of Law honom ena ubehu ye frɛ number yi se open chemu bi asemi de ya ofre 0243 4225 591 0243 422591 na se ne 0242 876780 0242 876780 na onien edi enkomo na bibia enso etimi akoye edi ama ensam no ya sha semfemfi Copa de Rey mu enno games mienu ena eba so rosa de tina fie ma Rebetis echine bonekanim ennan wantim antisa enso Athletic Bilbao enso tina fie Real Madrid etimi bonekanim bakwa Madrid for no omanso omantimi anti afi CONCACAF World Cup qualification nso no say na esekwe Mexico etina fie shekana bakulu tia Panama so entim anti El Salvador enso etanasima Canada echine tia ne kani mienu Salvador for no omantim anti USA esekana mensa di tia Honduras omonso omantim anti Jamaica enso etanasima Costa Rica enso bonekani bako Jamaica enso entim anti after round 11 say in a table no esiete Canada or 25 USA or 21 Mexico 21 Panama or 17 Costa Rica or 16 El Salvador or 9 Jamaica or 7 Honduras so one ma onso our trade onso nsam no yede ejao afe udon chema na se FIFA World Cup club no so no yade enwa game bako eba so Al Jazeera etina fie eseka ne nan tia boboku ande ade Pereira omonso no mutimi etika ne mu eba ko we game eno so eba so club World Cup no ma ero so nsam no yede ejao afe ene yade French Le Championnat no games no chase ene Olympique de Marseille etina fie one anyes ebon 8 o'clock afe oda china eba to Saint-Étienne ene Montpellier na ebo Monaco ene Lyon afe Rennes enso etina fie one Lens ebon Kwesiada Nice enso ne Clermont-Foot Reims ene Bordeaux Strasbourg ene Nantes Troyes etina fie one Metz na ebo afe Rennes ene Brest Lille enso etina fie na fie one boboku andin ade PSG enso the game no ade abone German Bundesliga no Hector Berlin at Safani Bohum ebone ene 7:30 sa game eba so afe ochina Amine Belfort ene Borussia Mönchengladbach bebo afe FC Cologne ene Freiburg Mainz 05 ene Hoffenheim afe Stuttgart tinafie ene Eintracht Frankfurt na ebo Bayern Munich enso tinafie ene RB Leipzig enso the game no ade Arentam so afe Kwesiada Borussia Dortmund tinafie ne Leverkusen ade abone Wolfsburg enso tinafie ene Gutafe so bebo nia we games enso eba so German Bundesliga no emu afi Italian Calcio Serie A no Roma ene Genoa ebon ene Saturday 2 o'clock na sa game ebaso afi Inter Milan Derby Madonnina no ebaso omni AC Milan ebon nese ochina 5 o'clock na sa game no ene so ebaso Fiorentina ene Lazio na ebon afi Kwesiada Atalanta ene Cagliari da Boni Bologna ene Empoli Sampdoria ene Sassuolo Venezia ene Napoli afi Udinese ene Torino Juve enso betia fatonsa ede afi Verona the game no enso etimi ade abon La Liga week 23 no sena esi etie ene Hetafe ene Levante na ebo afi echina Elche ene Deportivo Alaves Mallorca ene Cadiz Celta Vigo enso ne Real Mallorca ana se Rayo Vallecano ena ebo afi Osasuna enso ne Sevilla bedbonia sa game no na se enye game eda from afi Kwesiada Valencia ene Rosaded na ebo Barcelona ene Atletico Madrid ebon L315 Kwesiada na sa game no eba so Real Betis ene Villarreal ebo na fe Real Madrid enso atina fie woni Granada enso abon Kwesiada 8 o'clock na sa game no eba so afi Athletic Bilbao enso betina fie on Espanyol enso the game beboni a enye fe diagro afi ko pemo England na EFL Cup na se FA Cup no yada games no ebi eba so ene Middlesbrough ene no one Boko Andin ade Manchester United na Airborne ene afro no twem echina Chelsea ene Plymouth Agri ade game ni ade Airborne afe Kidmanster enso etna fie one West Ham na Airborne Crystal Palace ene Hartlepool United ade Airborne Everton ene Brentford Man City ene Fulham afe Southampton enso ne Coventry City Wolves etna fie Norwich na Airborne na fe Tottenham Hotspur enso etna fie Luton Town enso the game ni ade Airborne afe Kwesiada Liverpool any Cardiff Ebo na fe Nottingham Forest enso atena fe atonsa eda fe Leicester no the game no enso ede aboni we games a eba so England don so sam no ya de Edgar Gerard Piqué ya branch osia kan ede ma Barca ne no na so the one in kese pan akọ ede ama branch ne Erling Brohana no se ne no o to branch ne fuzi na branch no se Ballon d'Or no na se FIFA Men Player of the Year no se preso GBDA na be ka chenze ne mankobo tima Kylian Mbappé kokobo unim se Kylian Mbappé wati ase se Madrid no obesi kanda momo ya bike chema ali bruhala no so bakodia ombra bas na Madrid dia na se enkoye enfama no we ensema na se no so tembeto jado so nsam no yede eja afe Manchester United boss Rafani kenso kasa o se the Crontia wa ma Brantian din ade Jesse Lingard no ankonkopi mutim foforo no nyane se na se Brantian Mason Greenwood no na se yadea Brantian suspension na se ne no na se chia ya chininti no enu ntene wa ma Brantian din ade Jesse Lingard ho kwan mankopi wada team no be use this season we ensema na se Rafani kenso no ede atudwa Sergio Ramos enso ka china mawurai Brantian reporter eba ne sempani foto no fo sankabe ya ne bobo nyina anfama ne nyane se calf injury ni kotodwe no yade Brantian hena dwen papa yentene no futo kese na doctors enso da mapa ndin ede se yomo se nem kabaya nanka body nanka onja enfanto we ensema eno so efim abadon so nsem no yede jamano nsem no yemfa ensina fo yembra fie fisem no emfa ento so yemfa sida ema fix man capsules Faceman capsules male vitality afebia wonu sisi na yawo ya anase wachi bones na yawo ya esanso aboa na se journal body pains no ebetim aboa etuase ade ama afe fix mala mixture no so aba eno no malaria no treating ne malaria achewa wadru ebetim aboa etuase one time ede ma no eno ne fix mala mixture afe fever headache ene na awo na tiase uso a wadru ba ko ebetim aboa no eno ene fix mala mixture afe fix arabia ointment no so aba ene no skin rashes heat rashes na fe foot rotter edro eno ene fix arabia ointment no pacho main distributor no abo both chemical akimoda na se main lorry station no bebi eton kokọ na honom ena obahu ye frɛ number yi na oni ending komo number 020 588 5000 020 588 5000 pharmacy bia chemical shop bia afeaba shop bia no wonya bi ato ewo akim odaha main distributor na se ne no opese wankasa nyom edi enkoma bebia na se fix aba for ewo no number no 020 8444 442 020 8444 hwe chakwan adenta katamanso honom ena obahu yensem no efisem ne yemfamfi Nigeria na no kase Nigeria unim se 24 November 29 no omni Ghana ejina kono wey worker qualifiers playoff baso no kase Nigeria na se jebo ejanya bedum no kase de Augustine Ekuavon ona ne Nigeria 4 points in no game kase de omni omni Ghana no omejem na fonya head coach from Nigeria Ghana de eguso ye pe coach na se yensa enkan ye na Nigeria prophet bi akasa na prophet no me mu nsam na bebrel yempiemu Sule Ali Muntari akacha prantia no na se ade wasan contract 1 year edema class folk no chema how to folk na say a good team how to folk a top team how to folk one of the team biggest team Africa yentensema Sule Ali Muntari ade tudwa
As of folk play great football and it's a top team, one of the biggest in Africa, so I'm happy to be part of it.
Enti we yansema Sule Ali Muntali enso de tudwa na former standing local player Eric Kwabena Bekwen enso to Sule fokakra ene no wase ye Sule sign na wasan edema to folk no na se yepa marketing wise no ebetimi aboa akra how to folk yenti ensema Eric Kwabena Bekwen enso kan ye ede fa Sule ni sign na wasan ne ede ama akra how to folk no eho.
It's a blessing in disguise because of their personality, no. And if the beer out in any chair, no, so no, the beer, I'm being able to share their man. Also, as I'm about, I even did say, on pay the beer, obetimi enya more playing time. Therefore, so baby expectations enkoye too much. And with my experience on board, you know, if you are in Biana ebo, and if you so no experience cannot be bought from the shop. And I think he will be a role model depending on the attitude, you know, obe showing up, obe a role model to the young ones now. And even let's look at the marketing aspects of Sule Mbaye and Nyama Obetimidia on board. We all know how people like him, fan base, the Muslim community. People for the Amodo Damo, this is a Christopher, Botrobo Johnny Nyama Dawson, but the Muslim Kase or Pewasema, it likes you wholeheartedly. I know said the Muslim community crown should be pushy. I am back. He said Sule will succeed.
Yes, inti Sule will succeed ni ebi sanse ne no Sule. So be succeed dia e den no nya azo foka e betimi mo Sule enso etimi succeed no so no Eric Bakwen etire mu sei.
I think it's about discipline, dedication, and perseverance because Urban 2-month partnership now and there's something I was say when it comes to football, when the coach has the trust in you, a Mao Akunya Emma Bibia Opese we DPBA Utimi. He has the final say. Say Sule Bebo, say Sulembo, Boduna Neveden, a bit determined on assistant and a technical team. But I also praises are Otro on Sule now. I think say it will be left with Sule to showcase professionalism, discipline, dedication, perseverance, and hard work. He will be given the code of ethics of the club. I think that if you go against it, it will affect you. And Sule is that quiet type. Say one kokana or Danny Baby or the Houdin. I've played with him in the national team, and one kana on count. Only a mature, but I can't go there. And I see Bibi and Koka Pepa and Jeprede. But Mesreno. Higher Ghana because as of we all know, almost demands our fans, expectations in any and I know if he's able to go with what I'm saying now, he's home and dry.
Had so foka de guswe when I'm no kase de there's some company been doing the Kijin Water Ghana Limited in any contract and a partnership no aye dwuma na sia de every year bia no 255,000 Ghana cedis ensuo and the match Accra had to foka into we no Sule factor na we ensema na sia bisa na AFCON no so no ya da semi final no ya bo we enche final no e baso kwesida Burkina Faso etna feche Senegal emom echi o mebo mekani miensa Burkina Faso for no na so mutim atimu bako afa enu a Cameroon enso ni Egypt akote ye obi a entimi afa goal am fantuno kote penalty no ya dia Egypt ase kan miensa de tia aye boboku anaso man din ade Cameroon timi atimu e bako tunu kase de final no asset Senegal and Egypt na de aboni Ghana Premier League no de tie nie toaso ya dia ene Bechem United and Asgod na ebo afa ochina Accra Lions e betina fani media man e bebo Kenfa Samson Atiyu e bebon echina afa kwese de beto aso be Gold Stars and Adriana Stars na ebo Dream Chelsea and Brekum Chelsea 11 Wonders and Wafa afa to folk and Great Olympics na fe Karela enso atina fe ono so and Legon Cities enso the game no e de aboni we game sa eno so e baso a e don so sam ne de eja afa Monday Elimina Sharks atina fe papa kwese New Sports Complex omo tun sa da fe Asante Kodoko no the game no enso e de aboni na don chemu Division 1 league ni mu a na se week 12 no say na esi etie Accra City Stars and to the Mighty Jet Ebo Nania FC and Akosombo Crystal Palace Ebo Golden Cakes and Liberty Professionals Accra Young Wise and Pando Out of Lions Susubibi and Vision Ebo Kotoku Royals and Aketi All Stars and the in terms of Tamayut and Kwabi Bremo Nafe International Allies and so Atnafe Atunsa fe Ankuti now the game no Ede Aboni na in some nesi yako median the Joe Shock of Nejanim na papa bi na se oya prophet e wo Nigeria na papa no we na akodi ma bet for no first we dey anti prophet na can send bebre e da AFCON ho na can nation so say in some way or can before never start AFCON no na say before never start AFCON no na prophet we dey send me to drum or send Nigeria na say African Cup in there on be born na so mun ko ba bia cause ntokwa ofie afa Cameroon so mbo one game before the tournament before the finals one game before the finals one game before the finals na Cameroon there trophy no omuntim enje no say finals no team or North Africa nebeji first into prophet ni enso reso
concerning the competition for African Nations Cup. The matches will be held in Cameroon. Nigeria will do very well, but the shoulder can never be taller than the head. Amen. When there is fight in the house, it will be difficult for you to go out and win a battle and come back. Nigeria will do very well, but not good enough. Cameroon, who is the host, they will play a match before the finals, but not the finals. Mark this statement. They will play a match before the finals, but not the finals. Is it the match they are calling third place or what? Because I see the cup, the trophy, lifted up by an Arab African country. You know what I mean by an Arab African country? Those who are bowing down and those who are praying and hitting their head on the ground. An Arab African country, a North African country, North African country. And on the day of the finals, the player that shall fetch the cup for them shall be player number 10. He will trigger the victory, and it will be victory. The finals will be played on the 9th of February. And this Arab player, number 10, and there is another player, number 22. I don't watch them again, but I saw it in the spirit. They will do the work. Cameroon shall play a match before the finals, but not the finals.
Yes, inti no ya sorosu way. First great one the come on mutual bet in way abi peche voice you ba go pay time e finals no why. Inti at the end there say Salama na agi and according to the predictions nyina bam na mom date na wanya ne date ne 6 ono say 9th. Now one start here. Inti no. Inti Babandia, ni police is in your bem to finals no. I said to we mutual bet no. Egypt na echo. Yan so na fe captain in the morning. We go for the man for and for morning show no. And twatso until then. Good morning.
Casa Fabrics. Hey.